We've got an Accurpress 400 ton, just going to run it through its paces. Everything's been calibrated. Got the RAM calibrated for the Accurpress, and we're going to switch over to the Herco. That's all calibrated as well. Then we're going to do some running of that. So here we go. Start it up. We're in foot right now. We're running just the program. It's in the Accurpress. So activate the RAM. Doing light tonnage right now, just putting 50 tons so I don't hurt that die. We can switch over to hand. Here's hand. We do have the RAM level, you can see on that gear over there. That's going to go up and down. That's all working good. We'll switch it over to the Herco one. So everything's working good, hydraulics sound good, it's wired 480 volts, and yeah, good running press.